Caleb Peevler here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, standing on top of our fresh trade, a 2001 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. As you can see, the boat is shining nice and clean, fresh coat of wax, well maintained. We've got new canvas and new bimini with that dark blue sunbrella to cover you up and get you some great sunshade if you're sitting here at the rear of the deck. Extended swim platform, probably about 3 or 4 feet long. As we come up through the companionway, you can see that this new Sea Ray, new like condition, has got fresh water with hot and cold with an extendable shower. AC or air conditioning went through the generator or off of shore power. Huge V-berth if you're familiar with the Sea Ray line. The 34 Dancer was an extremely popular boat in its day and in its platform. We're going to go ahead and come on inside and get a closer look at the inside of the boat. As we come through the companionway, you can see the huge wraparound seating here at the stern of the boat. We've got 2 couches forward and rear facing with a table in between. This is going to allow us to entertain, sit, cruise, or watch the views. Grill included. A quick thing to notice as we look here at the boat is you can actually see on the arches the customer that previously owned the boat has added some grab rails, aftermarket, but very finely done, very clean done. Does look factory, but he's got grab rails there on either side and also up across the windshield to guide and walking up that path to the bow of the boat to access the windlass, the sun pad, and or just up front. If we go to the helm seat, we're into the cockpit. We've got the bucket seat for the captain with flip up bolster, whether that's for standing while driving or even to sit in an elevated position so you've got better view. We've got the companion seat next to it that is plenty accessible to access for 2 people. As we come down to the V-berth of the boat in the cabin, you can see that nice, beautiful, very great condition kitchenette and galley, TV, freshwater sink, microwave, plenty of storage, plenty of cabinets, storage up top with curtains for privacy, vented windows, as well as the bed at the V-berth, small seat and mirror for those beautiful moments to reflect, wraparound couch, additional couch and mid-berth with filler cushions to go ahead and fill in that open platform for another full-size bed.